Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can turn an image into a drawing here in Canva. So first you wanna upload your image, then click on using a new design, custom size, then create new design. Then over here at the left, you wanna click on apps, then you wanna search for cartoon. Then you wanna choose this app which is photo to cartoon. Then you wanna click on your image to select it. Then there are various of anime effects here, so you just want to go ahead and choose which anime effect you want. Then just click on generate. Then you want to wait for it for a few seconds. And after that, it will automatically generate your cartoon for you. So just click on add to design. Then you just want to delete your old photo. Then just drag and resize your cartoon image here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.